Cats are usually very clean animals, but they can still get urinary tract infections. UTIs can make cats very uncomfortable and may lead to serious health problems if not treated. Here are some simple ways to stop urinary tract infections in cats. Wet food contains more moisture than dry food, which helps cats stay hydrated. Better hydration keeps urine diluted, reducing the risk of infection. Cats need plenty of water to keep their urinary system healthy. Make sure your cat always has access to fresh, clean water. Consider using a cat water fountain, as many cats prefer running water. A water fountain keeps water moving, which helps prevent bacteria buildup. It can also encourage shy or picky cats to drink more, improving their hydration and urinary health. Dirty litter boxes can encourage bacteria growth. Scoop the litter daily and change it completely once a week. Cats are more likely to avoid using a dirty box, which can cause urine retention. If you have more than one cat, place multiple litter boxes around the house. This reduces stress and prevents holding urine for too long, which can cause infections. Cats who hold their urine too long are at higher risk for UTIs. Encourage your cat to use the litter box regularly and make sure the boxes are easily accessible. Stress can weaken a cat's immune system and increase the risk of urinary problems. Provide a calm and safe environment with quiet spaces for resting. Cats need the right nutrients to prevent UTIs. High-quality cat food formulated for urinary health can help reduce infection risks. Good nutrition also helps maintain a healthy urinary pH, which lowers the chance of crystal formation and infections. Active cats are healthier overall. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight and normal urinary function. Playtime also reduces stress, which benefits their immune system. Outdoor cats face higher risks of infections from dirty water or contact with other animals. Keeping cats indoors reduces exposure to bacteria. Indoor enrichment, like toys and climbing areas, keeps them stimulated and happy. Routine checkups help detect early urinary problems. Your vet can advise on diet changes or medications if needed. Early detection often prevents more serious complications later. Matted fur around the genital area can trap bacteria. Regular grooming helps prevent infections. Brushing also helps reduce hairballs and keeps your cat comfortable. By following these steps, you can protect your cat from painful infections and keep them happy and healthy.